Hey programmer, today in this tutorial we will learn how to show data database on a HTML table using PHP. We are going to make a table like this where the data in this table is filled by the data of database by using PHP coding. Here is a database which I have created on a previous video. I have put a link of that video in the description. To do this, first start with basic HTML format. We are going to make a HTML table, so that if you want to learn about HTML table, then click on the eye icon on the top right corner of this video. Give a title table with database. Now create a table and give heading for each column of table. After that, for this table data, we have to connect it with database. Now start with PHP code for database connection, where the server name is localhost, MySQL username root, password is empty, and database name is company. If error occurs during this connection, then we show error message. Now assign a query on a SQL variable. We want to show ID, username, password in a table, so that select ID, username, password from a table name login, where ID, username and password are the heading on a database table. And to execute this query, we have to get this result, we assign it on result variable. To print a data in a table, a database table must contain at least one row. Our query must extract at least one row. Then run a while loop until this condition remains true. And I want to say that we are going to execute one row in each loop. So that start with tr, then first td for id, closing tag, second td for username, and again closing tag, at last td for password, and closing tag for td and tr. If you have a question why trtd are queries but row is not queries, then trtd are not a PHP code, but row is PHP code, so that some of them are queries and some of them are not. Then outside of the while loop, we close table. If this condition false, this means there is 0 row. Then we print 0 result. At last, we close database connection. Let's see how it's done. To make it look better, add some CSS code. Start with style, copy it and paste it here. Save it and refresh. To make this heading colorful, add CSS code on tiers. And to make zebra stripe on table, use endchild on tier. Have a question? There is a comment section. Press like if you enjoy. Goodbye programmer.